This is one of my favorite soup that I like to make. You make it all in one pot, nice and easy. Fresh corn, or you can get corn frozen or also canned. And use the back of your peeler, corn peeler, and just scrape the rest of the juice in here. This is all the sweet stuff. Or you can use a knife or a spoon, whatever you have handy. Less dishes, we use one tool. Now when it comes to cooking, you can put as much corn as you want. There's no exact amount. But at least 1 ear of corn. I did about 2 cups of corns. That's about 3 ears. Now all you add is water. After the water, you want to add in your favorite bouillon. So it could be, you can make this vegetarian totally. I do vegetable bouillon, but I'm going to do chicken bouillon. And you just follow direction. How many teaspoons of bouillon to how many cups of water. So it's to your liking. You can taste it. You can taste it once it dissolves. See if you need more bouillon. But your base here is done now. It's one pot. You add all your favorite veggie in. You don't have to wait for your water to boil. Add your favorite tofu if you want tofu in there. But any veggie you want. If you're adding tofu, you don't have to wait till the water boil. You can just add your tofu right in. Because tofu is bland, so it take on whatever flavor you add into your soup. So you want it to be able to cook alongside with your flavoring. If you're adding veggie, wait until it boils and then add your veggie. Now you can add in your favorite spices. So I'm going to add a little black pepper. You do onion powder, garlic powder. So this is your soup, any way you like it. Once the soup boils, you can skim off the broth here. Or you can leave it, doesn't matter. Okay, once it boils, you can skim off the bubbles here on top, or you can leave it, it's up to you. Look at how good the corn looks, and the tofu is, the seasoning is seeping into tofu, so you want to let this cook for 5 minutes before you add your veggie, because the veggie doesn't take too long. Okay, now's the time to taste your soup, see if you need to add in more seasoning. If it's salty enough, sweet enough. From the fresh corn, I know this will be really sweet stock. Let's taste. Wow, so good. Right a mouth of chicken broth. And now you just add your veggie. Add it in your favorite veggie. I'm doing bok choy. Once this boils, another 5 minutes, your soup is ready. Okay, the pot is pretty full, so you don't want to cover it. You don't want to overboil. So I'm going to leave it, let it come to a boil, and we will be done. So if you like your veggie al dente, it's all done right now. You can cook it to your liking. But I love to add a little cilantro into my soup. Gives a nice flavor. Now let's taste. Make sure everything is good with the cilantro in there. Oh, delicious. Now, isn't that a quick, simple, and healthy, delicious soup? Look at this beautiful soup. So quick and easy to make, and so healthy too. You just add your favorite veggie, carrots, asparagus, and you can freeze what you don't finish, and you have a meal for the next day. Look at that. Definitely add fresh corn if you want nice sweetness without having to add any sugar. Let's taste this simple and healthy soup. It has tofu, bok choy, and fresh corn. Look at this. Let's taste the stock. Oh, it's so good. You guys have to try this. And I put some noodle in when I served it myself. The bean thread noodles. But you can put ramen noodles, anything you want. Any starch, even white rice too. Let's taste my tofu. Light and fluffy. And to taste on the flavor of the soup. And the soup is so good. The fresh corn bring a nice sweet dimension to it. And the chicken broth was so simple. So you can sub out veggie broth if you want to go totally vegetarian. It's up to you. Bon appetit. See you in the next video. So I'm keeping it small, and it's naturally going to come down, so you want to keep it high up. You want to bake in a preheated oven, 425. The key to these cream puffs is once you put them in, you cannot open until they are done. As you can see, the first 10 minutes I did at 425, but because I have a smaller oven, I brought it down to 390, and it's been 17 minutes now. So I'm going to open it up and we'll take a peek. Ooh, beautiful cream puffs. Wow, look at that. Let's see if it's done. Oh yeah, nice and hollow. Very good. Because with cream puff, you open the oven door too early, your cream puff will collapse. So they want to be nice and airy. So I need to bring my temperature. I need to bring my temperature back up to 425 before I put in my final batch. Okay, these cream puffs definitely need to cool on a cooling rack, so that way they won't get soggy on you. You can hear them. You can hear them. They are hollow and very light, not dense at all. Then you know they are done correctly.